Welcome to my channel, and today's video we will talk about on augmented reality, AR, augmented reality games, and augmented reality apps. Augmented reality is the applied science that overlays virtual objects onto the real world using a smartphone or tablet camera. What is augmented reality? At its core, AR is about enhancing reality with digital information. With AR, you scan a real-world object, and then with the help of a smartphone app, you can add integer content to it. This technology has a deal out of potential, and it's being used in a variety of industries from amusement to training to healthcare. Augmented reality games. One of the most exciting uses of augmented reality is in gaming. Augmented reality games are those that overlay digital elements onto real-life environments. Popular examples of AR games admit Pokemon Go and Ingress. These games have been incredibly successful, combining the playfulness of play with the excitement of exploring the real world. Augmented reality apps. Augmented world isn't just for gaming though. There are also a lot of augmented reality apps available that can be used for varied purposes. Some of these apps use AR to help you learn a recently language, while others might show you what furniture would look like in your home before you buy it. The possibilities are practically endless. Benefits of augmented reality. The benefits of augmented reality are clear. This technology has the potentiality to transform the elbow room we learn, shop, and play. Arkansas can help us better sympathize complex concepts by overlaying digital information onto the real number world. AR-10 makes shopping more interactive, and to a lesser extent unmanageable, by allowing us to see how something will look in our own homes. And of course, AR games can provide a fun and engaging elbow room to explore the worldly concern around us. Thanks you for watching our video on augmented reality games, and augmented reality apps. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of the exciting possibilities for this technology. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this.